Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on Twitch, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then click on my channel. Tap on edit profile in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on profile picture. You can either choose a picture from your gallery or take a photo with your phone now. You can type in an introduction to your bio section. As you can see, you have 300 characters to do so. If you are done with it, tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can type in your username and your display name as well, and you can add up to 5 social links that will display on your channel profile. Viewers will also be able to search for you by these handles, so you can add your social networking sites attached to your profile, such as your TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. So if you are done with adding all this information about yourself, click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen in order to save all these data. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next video.